Hey guys, this is going to be the longest video today. This is going to be a full Ortega tutorial. You can sub 5 with this method. I've gotten this like 6.17 is my best, 6.17. I am not the best at Ortega, but I've memorized all the algorithms, and I think this tutorial will help you guys. So let's get right into it. I'm going to assume all you guys know how to solve the first white face, because you watched the video we literally just put out. It's how to solve the white face. But if you don't, go and watch that, okay? So you're going to start with one face, and you're going to look and try and see which OLL case you have. There are, I believe, 7 cases. There's 7 cases for OLL, and they all have different algorithms, but some of them are pretty similar. So this one is, I'm not sure what this case is called, but I know the algorithm, and I'm going to show you what the case would look like. So right here, not that one, right here, is the alg you're going to use. Don't do the top one, the RU2, don't do that. Do the F, RU, R prime, U prime, and do that twice, and then F prime, okay? That's the algorithm we want to do. So I'm just going to show that to you real fast. Okay, ready? F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then F prime, okay? So if you get lucky, you're gonna have all bars around the top. Cool, right? Now it goes to your PBL case. So there's three steps to Ortega. First phase, OLL, PBL. Permute both layers, orient last layer, or orient whatever. OLL. So what you're gonna do here is, since there's no bars on the top, you don't have to do this, but move the corners so that they're solved, and then you're going to swap these 2 corners out. Now, this is, for me, this is a PBL, right? So this is going to be this case right here. Right here. I usually do this top algorithm because it's way faster, but you can also do a Y perm if you like, and that's the algorithm right there. But it's if you have a bottom bar and no top bar. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to go through this algorithm. So it's R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F2, U prime, R, U, R prime, D, R2. Okay? That solves the cube. Now you're done. That's Ortega, right? But you have to go through all of the different cases. So here's all the different cases. Let's start with the OLL. This is OLL right here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to work through all 7 of these. So let's go through However, next step is PBL, and it's not the 7 cases as before. It's 5 completely new one, and it relies on both the top and bottom layers.